know there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star.
Didn't even get to cross.
I have to get used to this seating position. Yo, it's really comfortable, may I add. So your legs are right in front. It's like almost like a cruiser. Feel like I'm a Harley Davidson hybrid over here. Nice, it's going over the bumps quite smoothly. I'm very happy with this bike. The mirrors are really nice and I can see everything behind me. So comfortable and I feel in control of this bike. Man, I think I touched about 130 on foot here. This is the cruiser, mind you. It's supposed to be a sports cruiser, not a super bike.
Rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Yeah, shooting. Yeah, shooting. Yeah, shooting. Yeah, shooting shots.
Didn't even get to cross.